Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at popular gaming coins, powering the future of gaming economies. Introduction. Gaming coins, also known as gaming cryptocurrencies, are digital tokens designed specifically for use within gaming ecosystems. These coins are revolutionizing the gaming industry by introducing new models of ownership, interoperability, and monetization, enabling players to earn, trade, and use virtual assets within games and across platforms. Key features of gaming coins. In-game utility. Gaming coins serve as native currencies within gaming platforms, allowing players to purchase virtual goods, items, and services within games, such as skins, weapons, or upgrades. Popular gaming coins. Engine Coin. Engine Coin is a leading gaming cryptocurrency that powers the Engine ecosystem, enabling developers to create and integrate blockchain-based assets and experiences into games. Chili's Chili's is a blockchain-based platform that allows sports and entertainment organizations to tokenize their fan engagement initiatives. Axie Infinity Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game that allows players to collect, breed, and battle digital creatures called Axies. Mana Decentraland is a virtual reality platform built on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, explore, and monetize virtual worlds. The Sandbox is a decentralized gaming platform that allows users to create, share, and monetize voxel-based games and experiences. Benefits of gaming coins. Ownership and control. Gaming coins enable players to truly own their in-game assets, providing greater control, security, and transferability of virtual assets. Interoperability. Gaming coins facilitate interoperability and cross-platform compatibility of virtual assets, allowing players to use and transfer assets across different games and ecosystems. Monetization opportunities. Gaming coins create new opportunities for players to earn, trade, and monetize their gaming experiences through participation in virtual economies, marketplaces, and blockchain-based platforms. Conclusion. Gaming coins are revolutionizing the gaming industry by introducing new models of ownership, interoperability, and monetization, empowering players to truly own and control their in-game assets. As gaming cryptocurrencies continue to evolve and gain traction, they have the potential to transform the way games are created, played, and monetized, ushering in a new era of decentralized gaming economies and virtual experiences.